Hello friends, today we will learn about object class and object class method. So there are many methods are available into the object class. So we will learn today two methods. One is toString method and one is hashcode method. Let's start. First of all, we understand object. So object class is present in a java.lang package. So object class is superclass of all the class. And let's see some methods of object class. Here is the toString methods. So when we are printing reference variable by using the toString method, how toString method print the reference? So first of all, toString method print name, after that at the rate, and after that hexadecimal representation of the hash code. In this way, toString method print the reference variable. Let's see one example so we will understand more. I have created one student class. Here is the student class. We are creating one variable roll number, and here is the constructor student, and here is the hashcode method, and we are printing student reference by two way. One is toString method and one is direct. Let's see the output of this program. See, here is the both output is same. For printing direct reference we are getting the same, and by using toString also same. So we can say that when we are direct printing reference variable, it's internally called the toString methods. So see, so note, whenever we try to print any object reference, then it's internally called the toString method. You can see in the example here we are printing reference variable by using both way. Both output is same. Now we will move to the hashcode method. So hashcode method is one of the method of the object class, which is print one unique, which is written one unique integer number for different distinct object. It's written the distinct integer for a distinct object. Let's see how it's written the integer, distinct integer. Here I have class human, and I have created some property of Aadhaar number and name. Now we are creating another class test, and we are creating two objects. One is the Abhilash and one is the Ashish. And now we are printing the hash code of the both object. Let's see. See, here is the hash code of the both object. Both are the different. So we can say hashcode method give unique integer value of the object. For different object we have different hash code. And so this is, but one misconception we have, a common misconception about this method is that hashcode method return the address of object, which is not correct. It is not returning the address of the object. it is not correct. So it is used, address is used for generating the hash code, not a hash code is a not a address. It is used, hash code used address for generating hash code. Now we will see the use of hash code. What is the use of hash code? So main use of hash code is when we are saving object, it is use hash code used some data structure like a hash set, hash map, hash table, etc. The main advantage of saving object based on hash code is that by using hash code we can easily search the object. So this is the main advantage of hash code. So thank you friends watching my video. If you like this video, please like the video and share, subscribe my channel.